Hi friends, today we are going to show you a ZTE MTN model MF293N. Are you going to unlock the router so that it can run all SIM cards of all networks of every country? This video is being shown to you as a proof that we can unlock this Wi-Fi router. As you can see in the beginning, the network lock is coming. So now we will install software in it and unlock it. Friends, to unlock this, you must have some equipment, such as a laptop or computer, and this computer must have internet. And you should have a micro USB cable like the ones commonly used for mobile phones. Now we started software work. And we will keep the video in a little fast speed. This video is only being shown to you as a proof that we can unlock this Wi-Fi router and we have their software. So we quickly unlock it and let you check it. Friends, this is our online service, so now you can see that our Wi-Fi router has been unlocked and will support all network SIM cards. As you can see here earlier when we inserted this SIM, then SIM lock status was coming network. So now this network is unlocked and all SIM is now supporting this router. Now you can use any SIM in any country. If you also want to unlock any similar router or you want to buy any software, remember that this service is not free. It is a paid service, then you can contact us. Our WhatsApp number is being shown to you. You can contact us and get any of your router unlocked from home. Or you can also contact us to purchase software. Remember, if you unlock a router online, the charges are less. If you buy the software, then you get the software at a slightly higher price, I hope. You must have liked our video. Please give us permission now and remember us in your prayers. Subscribe to our channel. We will see you again soon on our channel working on another Wi-Fi router or device. Goodbye.